Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today we're gonna do we have some chicken neck. Yeah, I have some chicken neck and we have some chicken. So we're gonna do I go cook it chicken neck and I'm gonna use some of the chicken and mix it with the chicken neck. You understand? Cause I don't enough chicken neck, so I'm gonna put piece of chicken with the chicken neck and I'm gonna curry it, guys. Yeah, some curry chicken neck and chicken. You understand? I did curry chicken neck and chicken with some rice, guys. So watch your business in our kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, as you can see over here, see me chicken and chicken neck mix. You understand? I did. So, guys, I'm gonna do. I go curry it. I'm gonna see what go on in our kitchen with some rice. Yeah, guys, be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So what I'm gonna do now? See me put in water in my pot, my rice pot. So what I'm gonna do? I go light up the stove. My water going up, guys. My rice pot. Yeah, guys. So that are the rice pot. So I'm gonna go light up to cook my chicken and my chicken neck. Yeah, chicken and chicken neck mix, guys. So you don't know the badness. See it over here, so I go throw some season on it right now. I'm making go on marinate. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So I go on there. Put my oil in I pack now, guys. Viewers and subscribers, man, to not believe this. Me down on the airport I do some work yo. And believe this. Me I work with the Chinese them. And yo, can't do my work in a peace. You hear me telling them, I can't do my work in a peace, guys. Believe that. Believe friggin' that. Can't do my work in a peace. Yo, when somebody look for me and say, when the Chinese then don't work, me no must get back no work in a Grenada. And me know that. Me know that. But I would over evil. Is if I'm work Monday, I don't go back to work. Believe that. Yo, I don't know where these people are against me, yo. Security, go tell a lie. To show you fuck up these people, be. Go tell a lie, so me I tell them bad. Boss, me I do security from 2008. So, if you are going to tell lie if you get position, boss, that don't make no sense. People, every time me go work, it's a problem to airport security. Them are watching money when me I make every fucking thing. Yo, viewers and subscribers, I know everything good to talk. You understand Nadi, but certain things you have to make you know what going. You understand Nadi? Aye. Boss, come on man. Me not lie to tell them, I have two sisters overseas. And none of them now sell pussy. So me have to work to feed myself. You understand? None of them now sell pussy. So if them down there sell pussy, none of my sister they now sell pussy for a living. You understand me? I did so me have to work for what I want. Yo, boss, for me I travel, everything good. People, me I deal with my food. Not even me work me can't do in a blood clot. Yo, I don't know one to these people, dog. Everybody know when they China they let me no must get back no work. I'm name that look no work, me name want no work with down at airport. You understand me I did? Me nah try if you get no work down at airport when the China they left. As God, when they left, I prefer turn on my fucking yard and dead for hungry. Viewers and subscribers soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go burn some curry. Yo, these people are normal, yo, me not lie if you tell you. They're not normal. Me never take up myself and run come a Grenada, you know. As God, woman make me come here. But one know, we are come better than them. You understand now, did so them have to set certain things that's gonna come better than them. Blood clot, though. The thing you come here look hands out. And then come here look hands out, boss. Not even walk me can't walk in a blood clot piece. Show you. Everything we do is a problem. I'm telling you already, you know, no take back on no fucking citizenship, you know, nothing I joke me on making. You know. Anytime I left fucking Grenada, I give up that. I don't need that. Guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. But when the Chinese they left, you know, must get back now. How the fuck will be, man? How will be? You know, like the Chinese, them and the Chinese people are better people than you. You know, see that? And you know, see man, I fight down the people them. Yo, boss, everything good. And everything good, Peter. I just go and cook my pot, but me I tell you no, airport security. Me I tell you no again. Me have two sisters overseas and no pussy them myself. So then I go mind me. So me have to work. You understand me? So when you not try to stop me out of my work, boss. From Monday me come and work, me no come back. You know see that? You know have it for yourself. Yeah guys, so Mart over here for a while, so now I'm gonna wash my rice and put in my rice, guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Yo, people, this is what them have me offer. This is what them have me offer. You understand, Nadi? Me I hear all some talking, oh, me not can not give nobody. Oh, me not can not give nobody. Yo, what the fuck do you? One of watch me video, I watch me. If you not watch me video, you know if you stop. You know yourself who me attack. You understand now, dude? No hands out no there, so. You understand now, dude? Fuck do you know, watch man video and a bad mind. Boss, same thing when me I do, you can't do it, you know. You understand now, dude? You know, if you stop bad mind people. That's why I'm not reach now. You know, that's no fucking reach now, way. Eh? You not see that? Come like, you not see that. Yeah, guys, so, we'll show me rice in my pot now. Oh, God. You can't work with your honest brother in this country and you don't have a problem. You're not a thief and you work where you want and it is a problem. So we are trying to show me. I do me YouTube video and you have me in a bumbuckler coat feet. Eh? So I wanna be. Eh? I wanna man. I wanna be man. Bumbuckler I wanna be. I wanna be. Me need to take up myself and say I come and Grenada in the boss. I make sure I tell them that I never take up myself and say I come. Oh, make sure blood clot tell them that. Everything me do is a problem too. No? Now make me YouTube video, it's a problem. You don't have me in a coat feet. Me I walk, it's a bumbuckler problem too. No? So what you want me do? Eh? Boss, me tell you already, you know, take back on the citizenship, you know. Take back on the fucking citizenship. I know when I go try to cover up certain things like Grenada and bumbuckler, Jamaican a friend. I want to, no man. For sure you fuck up these people, be. Now work with the Chinese people them and then go to the man and tell the fucking man to fire me. For what? Eh? And the same fucking man will then go and tell to fire me man come back and tell me. Bumbuckler, you know, same set of security them, airport security them. For what? No bad mind. Some man just sit down and watch me think on social media and fucking bad mind. Boss, you know, can do the same thing too. Same thing when I do, you know, can do it. No bad mind, you know. Bumbuckler, you know. I want to come in the country and achieve more, you know. Eh? Workless on a fucking workless. Guys, be about this in our kitchen now. Be about this, guys. So yeah guys, meantime what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up some ground season for my chicken. Some rice over here, so rice I go and boil. You understand all these? Guys, put a bag over my rice. You go and steam out. You understand all the idea? So I will cut up some carrots and some ground season. Strain on the chicken pot. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so the ground season for me chicken and chicken neck. You understand all the I go just finish cut up my pepper them. You can see what I go on guys. Yeah guys, so what I go on over here so. Ground season and the carrot, the overs, be a badness guys. Yeah guys, so I go put in the ground season and now season up my pot. I'll make my pot go and cook. So I'll go on over here so, yeah. Be a badness guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Some bad curry chicken neck and chicken with some rice guys. Yeah, be a badness. I'm gonna put a little salt. I'm not gonna put too much. But you don't know the bag season they have salt. The chicken season and the all purpose salt. So I'm not gonna put a lot of salt.